Hey, what's going on, guys? We're out here with a 2007 Chevy Silverado. It is a 1500. And come over here. Let's check out the engine real quick. We got a 5.3 V8. It sounded hella fucking sick. So let me show you guys the interior and what we're doing inside real quick. All right, so in the interior over here, we can step in over here. We have a couple amps. We got an amp over here for the voice. We got an amp right here for these two badass kickers. And we have an LC1 to, power everything up and, have everything sounding like, it should be and make it sound hella fucking badass. So, let's finish this up and I'll show you guys how the ending looks. And one more badass thing about this truck is it has a side exit right here with dual pipes right here. And it is rocking, I think these are 22-inch snowflakes. Pretty badass, I must say so. All right, so we didn't get to finish the truck, but come over here and take a look real quick. So we have the LC1i all routed up. We got the fuse distributor right here all, wired up and everything. We got the amp right here. The other amp's already under the seat. 2 subs in, but now we have to redo everything and reroute the cables more because there's a lot of interference going on and we have to basically take everything out again and then redo everything. And, tomorrow we're gonna do this because we're too tired. It's 9:30 and, we're trying to go sleep.